What's up, guys? Happy Super Bowl Sunday. This is me in my hoodie getting a little bit of work done on a Sunday morning, because when you're building the world's best integrated sales and marketing platform, you don't sleep, you don't rest, you don't take any breaks. You keep going, especially when you have a national launch in March right around the corner. So we're grinding right now, guys. I wanted to take a second to give you guys a quick, very simple demo of the report module within DirectLync. It's very easy. So right here, I'm on the DirectLync dashboard, and you can see, you can kind of get a feel for the user experience. It's very clean. It's very simple. It's very focused. Not a lot of data populated here right now. This is just a demo site, but when you use it, there will be. Getting insight into the effectiveness of your sales and marketing campaigns is huge in terms of getting actionable intelligence as to who you're reaching, who's interacting with your email campaigns, who's going to your website because they got an email from you, who is commenting, posting, liking your posts on social media. All that information is extremely valuable in terms of growing your business, and we make all that information easy for you to see right here in this platform. So you're going to go right down here to reports. Hopefully the internet's fast. So here we can see the report dashboard. What I want to see specifically, you can see website traffic, most recent form submissions from the website. No social accounts are added to this demo account, but they will be. And if they were, you could see basically the activity of what's going on your various social media accounts. But we want to look at email. So right over here, you get a snapshot of emails open, email clicks. So you can see email clicks, email bounces, unsubscribes. Wow, no unsubscribes. People like what we're sending out. That's awesome. But right here, we're going to look at recently sent emails. We're going to click on View All. This is how easy it is. This is how easy the platform flows. This is how easy it is to navigate. It's what I want to focus on with you guys in this really quick demo. Email marketing report, email campaign overview. We're going to click on that, and we're going to select our date range. And we'll go from the day I started, which was December 3rd. So 2 months ago to the day. Happy anniversary to me. February 3rd. We're going to apply that. We're going to run the report. Should just take a second. And voila, there we have it. Some very actionable, valuable insight that if you're using email marketing, you're going to want these numbers. You're going to want this type of information. Now, you can even get more granular than that and go right to email marketing. See over here in the left-hand column, far left. Click there. Let's look at some email campaigns right up here. And just very easy to navigate. This was sent, let's see. What was a big one that we sent out? Bob's email, Restaurant Ryan, I'll just do this one. Follow up from a speed networking event from my colleague Bob. Blast with some more data. So we're going to click here. This is Ryan's introduction email, and we'll see that it went to 505 recipients. It was delivered to, or there were 505 recipients on the group that I sent it to. It was delivered to 4:30. Guess I had some bad email addresses. That's what happens when you import from your Google account that you set up when you were like a senior in high school, and now you're old. Bounces 79, so some bad emails in there. Open rate 32%, which is better. See right up here, the industry average is a little bit better than the industry average. Clicks, we got 27. The click average is about 2%. We're at 5%, so we're beating the industry average. And then unsubscribes here. We can click on that. I call this group the haters because they are haters. I'm just joking. But within here too, you can click. So you can click on clicked, and guess what? You can see everybody who clicked on it. You can click on open. You can see everybody who opened it. You click on bounce, you can see what bounced. You click on delivered, you can see what delivered. And then you can over on recipients, same thing. So again, guys, just wanted to give you an idea of how easy the platform is to use. This isn't crazy analytics. You didn't have to do a million things to run those reports. Since you're sending, scheduling, managing all of the reports, all the activity from the platform, it's very easy for us to collect that data and then make it readily available to you at any time. That's the power of this platform. If you want a free trial or you want a demo, get in touch with me. Enjoy the Super Bowl, guys. Go, I don't know, nobody really cares about this one, especially if you're in the Philly area.